Now student, as I have shown you that from this particular graph how the plotting can be done and how you can find this particular line graph. Now with this scenario of making a graph, here I am making one more pattern of graph. This is a new style of graph, very interesting part of the graph it is. See here, in this particular I have used the dash, okay, red dash, blue square and green triangle for plotting the graph. Now how to do it? First let us run it and see what the output it is showing to you. Okay, let us see how the output it is showing to you. Basic the output. Have you seen the output? See here the red dots, the blue squares and the triangles. Okay, so these are the things. So line width I have specified for each of the cases. Each of the cases I have specified the line width. So in this particular cases, what I have given the grid to show you this particular background effect also. Here I have used what? The title. Now in this particular thing I have taken one particular range. What is the range? Range will start from 0, then it will go to 5 and it will end to 0.2. So this is the total range what is there. So due to the level you cannot see this at the end of this particular thing. So this is the level what you find it, as I have given here the level here. So for this level that has been mentioned in each of the cases, you find it that here in this particular graph, previous graph is what? Previous graph what? 2 lines. Now here I have done the graph with the 3 different thing or the 3 different effects. Okay, so 3 different effect to specify the 3 different sections. This way also you can draw the graph. So I am showing you that line graph, so many pattern of line graph you can draw, even if with a line graph, dot graphs and all this, based on that also you can draw it. I'll come more section of the line graph, even if on the bar graph, then the dot graphs are there. So see here, this is the way you can bring your particular effect. Now here you see one thing, PLT subplot 212. This is a dots or the pixel that I want to declare. I have given here hash to inactivate. If I give it activate, this will become small. Okay, this will become small. You can try it in your machine. So what the thing I have given it, plot T. Okay, so T, that what we find it, that in this T then T comma, that we find it that we will going to execute it with, you find it that R minus minus, that means R will come in a red dot. Okay, R will come in a red dot. The level of this red dots was red dots. Okay, then T, what I said, T into 2, that means BS, it is a blue square. See here, blue square. Okay, now what I said, T into 3, that means it should be multiplied 3 times the thing of the particular values, and then you will get what I am giving, a green triangle. So triangle, the length has been given it. So based on this particular effect I am plotting my graph. So this is the more little bit advanced stage, though of all I am giving little bit idea to you that how you can do the graph based on the different type of this particular form, so particular activated forms. Okay, so those are the activated form that you find that will going to execute, and based on this execution what my graph has been drawn out. Okay, so in this particular thing I have making sorry, the time information, as you know, this is the title, this is the y-axis, this is one is an x-axis, and as the color I have specified here, color is K. K means here this crayon color, can you see the crayon color of it? The grid is there, grid I have made true, so grid has been true. Background color is crayon, that means this ash type of color what you are finding it. So those the color and the specification design, you can do the change based on your requirement, based on your designing, totally based on your designing requirement and all. So this is what you can do it. So previous one you have seen it, I am showing you the previous output. See the output, see this previous output of the previous program, and this is the previous output. How I have make it, I have make with a 2 line graph, and here I have given